of another gift from Maxxman. Thank you very much, Maxxman. And today we have a mouse. It's the G502 Hero Gaming Mouse. Right here, a closer look at the box. It's a gaming mouse, obviously, and I'm really excited to see how it looks. Kasi sa box pa lang ang ganda yan. So on the side, it says it's got light sync. It's a hero clicker. Tapos dual mode hyper fast scroll wheel. We'll be showcasing that later. Onboard memory and approximately 16.8 in color RGB lighting. It's RGB. All right, cool. Oh wait, before we open it, on the back it says the G502 Hero Gaming Mouse has got the next generation Hero sensor, which delivers precision tracking up to 60,000 dpi with zero smoothing, filtering, or acceleration. I'm betting that's going to be really helpful when playing like high precision games like FPS games. Okay, so let's open it and take it out of the box. You pull it out. Ta-da! Here it is. It's packaged pretty sleek. Safe, I would assume. But I'll put it down. So it's here. There it is. It's so pretty. It's got like a matte finish to it in the front, and then there's so many buttons. Parang siyang kotse. Dami yung buttons. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 nga naman daw. And the cable is, I think this is called braided. So that actually makes me feel a lot safer with it. Na hindi na siya basta-basta mapupulot. And then what is this? What is this? Hello. Okay. It's cool, but I'm not gonna pretend I know what it is. Is it just like a thing? Ah, it's fancy. It's metal. It's a metal thing. I have no idea what it is, but it looks nice. And then I thought there's I'm supposing a manual for it. Okay, all it says is to plug it in and get support from the website. Oh, and that's the thing. Okay, you can open up the bottom. So this is where you put the weights, and I might as well try it because it feels a bit light for me. Yes, you can just put them in. Ang galing. And it's very pretty too. Parang ang sleek niya tingnan pag nilagay mo. So I'm not sure if that's heavy enough yet, but I want to see how it is when it's like full heavy. There, I'm totally doing this right. 100%. Sigurado ako sa ginagawa ko, promise. Sigurado sa ginagawa ko. I think this is right. Let's just try to put all the weights in so we know how it feels. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the weights inside. Very actually sleek. Sleek pa rin siya tingnan. And we have plugged in the mouse, and as you can see, oh, it's got these lights now. It's RGB, and there's this thing, there's detail on the side that is cute. Like when you click it, it lights up. Okay, so just to test how it feels. So I'm guessing that the middle button is for. Oh, okay. And so it's recognized with my PC now, and all the buttons. Okay, that's how you change DPI with these buttons here, up and down. So ayan, we're continuing our upgrades for our gaming PC. Our peripherals are beautiful, and I am looking forward to more episodes of Mango Unboxed with you guys. Very, very happy that we have these opportunities, and I'm grateful to Taskas for making these possible for me. For now, I hope to see you guys in our next episodes and our future streams on fb.gg/Mangobellls with the triple L's. Live, love, laban. By the way, don't forget to follow us on our social media channels on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. It's Mangobellls with the triple L's. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye!